Ready to share your epic gaming moments with the world on Twitch? First, grab your PlayStation 5 and make sure you have a Twitch account created on your computer or mobile device. Next, turn on your PS5 on the main menu. Navigate to Settings, represented by a gear icon on the top right of your screen, and select it. Scroll down until you see Users and Accounts. Then select Link with Other Services. Choose Twitch from the list. You will be presented with a QR code and an alphanumeric code. Open the Twitch app on your computer or mobile device and log into your account if you are not already. Use your mobile device's camera to scan the QR code, or, if there is an issue, enter the code given by the PS5 on your mobile device's Twitch app. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your accounts. You might need to authorize the connection, accepting the permissions that are requested. Back on the PS5, select the Create button on your controller, the one located right next to the directional buttons. This will then prompt a menu to appear. Select the Broadcast option. Then, in the Broadcast menu, choose Twitch. Now it's time to customize your stream. Here, you can adjust the video quality, choose a microphone, adjust the audio levels, and include or remove the camera. Play around with these settings until you're happy with how your stream looks and sounds. Name your stream, add a brief description, and include any relevant tags, like the name of the game you are playing. Double check everything, and when you are ready, hit Start Broadcast. Congratulations, you are now live on Twitch. Share your channel with your friends and start interacting with your viewers. Happy streaming.